The next student is Muhammad Hassan, whose topic is Youth Power is the Symbol.
Respected teachers, guests and honorable judges, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I stand before you to shed light on a topic that holds the key to our future and a promise of a better tomorrow. The youth power is the symbol of revolution. Respected teachers, the youth is not merely a state of life. It is the most vibrant and dynamic phase where energy, ambition and determination meet. It is a dynamic force that it has been at the heart of every major revolution in history. If you turn the pages of the history, you may find out that in every significant change, there were some valiant and legendary youth people who had brought massive change to the entire world by their youth power, revolution, and sheer determination. Dear fellow, but why is the youth power synonymous with revolution? The answer is simple. The youth dare to dream, question, and challenge the status. They are not afraid to take risks or stand up against injustice. They are not afraid to take risks or stand up against injustice. Their spirit of innovation breaks barriers, and their sense of unity can shake the foundation of any system. When young people unite for a cause, they become an unstoppable force. After all, a revolution does not always mean protest or rebellion. It can be a revolution of thought, technology, and values. We, as the youth of today, have access to tools and resources that our forerunners could only dream of. The internet, social media, and technology have given us the power to connect, learn, and act. With these tools, we can spirit awareness, spark movement, and initiate change. But this power must be used responsibly. Let us strive to be the architects of a better future, a future where equality, peace, and justice prevail. Dear fellow, in conclusion, I want to remind all of us that we are not just the leaders of tomorrow. We are the leaders of today. The strength of nation lies in its youth, and our actions will determine the course of history. Let us embrace our power, channel it toward meaningful change, and become the symbol of revolution that the world needs. Thanks. Wassalam.